Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to assign work to-dos to a price matrix within Field Central, including some best practices. Price Matrix allows companies to set up seasonal service pricing based on the factors that are important to them. In addition, this tool allows users to seamlessly mass update and maintain pricing from one location, even if needing to take into account modifying factors. Once you have logged into Field Central, navigate to the Settings page via the Quick Access panel. Select to open Services, then select Price Matrix. To begin leveraging the Price Matrix, work to-dos will need to be assigned to the matrices. Please note that mapping work to-dos to the desired price matrix can also be done at the work to-do level once at least one price matrix is set up. To edit from the Price Matrix page, click the corresponding pencil icon and then select which work to-dos to assign to the price matrix. For more information on deciding which work to-dos to assign under base pricing or trip charge, please review articles within our knowledge base. Once satisfied with the assigned work to-dos, click the green checkmark beside to save. You will be prompted to confirm if you would like to update only visits or visits and unsent estimates, and then click Update. If you are not yet ready to update visits or unsent estimates, the user will select Do Not Update. Once a price matrix is set up and assigned to work to-dos, the system will use those values when creating estimates or scheduled visits. We highly encourage our clients to set up and leverage this tool if they are needing a way to manage how services are priced in a scalable way that will save you time. By using the Price Matrix tool, users can mass update pricing structures and take into account modifying factors as needed. Price Matrix is the ideal tool for standardizing your pricing across your customer base.